Okay, so presentation today, my talk today will be about innovations for collaborations, which is part of innovation. So, and I will tell you about the experience of IBM Center for Advanced Studies in Cairo, where I am managed. So, as we know, the growing reliance on information technology is leading to the need for a lot of innovative solutions in direct
voice.
all fields. So, whether it is banking, commerce, medicine, or any other field, we need really So, what is innovation? There are a lot of explanations and definitions for innovation, but let me take the simple. Innovation is the creation of the products, the services, or technology that should be accepted by markets, government, or society. So it is something that we try to create as better than we currently have, and it has to be accepted not only by business but also by society and government. So, of course, innovation has to be useful as well as unique. It should be unique, but most important, it should be useful. In order to innovate, we need to look beyond the problems that we are currently have. So we need to anticipate what are the problems that we expect to have in the future, and this will lead us to have to think about the more innovative solutions. One important thing that innovation is the responsibility of everyone, every person involved. So it is not about delegating this responsibility of innovation to a small group of people within the company, and the rest will do work the same way they used to do. It is many small group of people will stimulate or lead innovation in corporate, but innovation is the responsibility of all employees within the corporate, wherever they are in this country. So that is, if we take 70% of business and IT executives in the companies declare that innovation is very important for the profit for their company to be profitable. And this is was a McKinsey study conducted in 2005. All right. The nature of innovation is changing. So it is occurring right now more rapidly than before. And maybe the integration of information technology in more aspects of industries and business is leading to this rapidity of occurrence of innovation. So one important change in nature that innovation now is becoming open, and this is maybe something new. So it is open in the sense that it depends on wider collaboration, and it is across disciplines, across specialties, and borders. So if we say that innovations usually start by an idea that the marketplace or the business need, then what is now new is that the user himself is a co-creator of the innovation. So because the users are the ones who are practicing the products, the services, and the technology. So through that practice, they are best placed to help or to collaborate on having better solutions. notion of having the user as innovation co-creator is one changing nature, one of the changing natures of innovation. And what is helping about this co-creation in the open collaborative innovation is the internet. So internet is facilitating this interaction between users, between the developers of technologies and products within corporates and within the firms. And together through this interaction of the internet, they can together co-create and co-create innovation. One other notion is that we now intellectual property is not only what corporates should be looking for now. We are also looking at what we call intellectual capital. Intellectual capital is more wider than intellectual property. I'm not saying that intellectual capital will replace intellectual property, but they will both coexist. So the corporates will have their own internal or protected intellectual property, but they will share with us a lot of the innovation together to form a shared intellectual capital that is among all who co-create. So, collaboration, as you see now, for open collaboration for open innovation is essential. So, and if you look at the origins of ideas in innovation, this is we have conducted this survey and asked a lot of corporate leaders to tell us about each of them will nominate the best, according to their opinion, the best three participants in the innovative ideas in the. So you will see that not only the employees of the corporation and firms are the creator of the ideas, you will see that customers also are co-creators of innovation. And you will see that business partners, even competitors, which is maybe looks strange. And R&D department is less, is something like 18%. There is a role, as I told you, for R&D department, but it is not the role of the R&D alone to make the innovation in the company. It is, as the responsibility of everyone in the company, and wider collaboration between internal and external professionals and resources will lead to the innovation through collaboration. So, as I told you, external collaboration is fast becoming an imperative in today's innovation environment. So, if we think of open collaborative innovation as the evolutions of the internal corporate innovation that is now evolving into a more wider collaboration and innovation that makes use of the available resources outside the firm. This is now what we call open collaborative innovation. So if you look as if we have a supply and demand, so now the demand is very high for innovation. So no firm or no corporate alone can meet the high demand for innovation. So, and at the same time, we have a huge supply of talents and ideas coming from everywhere, from the users, from universities, from research institutes, from business partners, etc. So we have to match this high demand, so or make it short. Either we rely only on our internal resources, which is good, and lose a lot of opportunities, or have a wider collaboration with resources from all over the world, from the supply that we have from all over the world, and have this and match the demand for innovation. Okay, now for IBM, in order to apply innovation through collaboration, IBM has created a series of Center for Advanced Studies. So the mission of the Center for Advanced Studies is to facilitate the exchange of academic research knowledge and real-world industry challenges. And our aim is to build and foster relationship among researchers, founding agencies, IBM. So the model that right now we have 27 Center for Advanced Studies around the globe, and during 2010 and 2011, I was a worldwide leader of all centers in IBM. So one of the 27 centers is the IBM Center for Advanced Studies in Cairo that was established in 2005, and actually the roots of the center go back to 1982, where IBM created IBM Cairo Center. And the mission of the IBM Center for Advanced Studies is to enable university academic staff and graduate students to technically collaborate with IBM scientists on emerging technology to address real-world technical challenges with specific focus on Middle East application. So the model that we adopt for any IBM, for at least for the IBM Center for Advanced Study in Cairo. So CAS Cairo, or Center for Advanced Study, is part of IBM Software Group Services Lab, where around 130 professional IBM firms are working, and has links to the other 27 or 26 Center for Advanced Study around the globe, and the other IBM research centers, and match these resources with scientists and from governmental research institutes and from the academia in collaborative research projects that would be funded by the government-funded agencies. And the model is based on what we call visiting scientists. So we host within the center visiting scientists from the academia, from the universities, to work on a collaborative R&D project with IBM professionals and IBM scientists during the period of the project, and then we rotate with other scientists. So these are some examples of projects that we had in collaboration with visiting scientists from universities. So this project with visiting scientists from Hisham University, where we simulated the effect of wind on the Giza Plateau and the Great Sphinx. And here you see how we study the patterns of wind flow on the Sphinx, and how we capture the secondary flow structure that are that causes the erosion of the Sphinx. So you can see the pattern of the flow over the Sphinx, but you can see small curly what we call secondary flow structure that will flow around the Sphinx and cause the erosion.
Hisham, can you please try to finish?
Yeah,
2 minutes?
1 minute.
Okay.
And we make use of this technology in studying wind flow simulation of our wind turbines for microscale wind farms as well. Another project was conducted with this insight from Asyut University, where we studied drug target identification of drug target terrorism, a project called drug target terrorism mining, where we focus on the phase that precedes drug design for a certain disease. So we identify which proteins are related to this disease and what are the chemicals that has an impact on these diseases. Another example of joint collaborative projects with universities is the high dynamic range imaging technology with the visiting something from Alexandria University, where we work on a perspective, revolutionization of photography, it's called computational photography, and we had the novel universal mapping method receiving this course. So let me conclude. So trends in technology and the need for innovation presents a lot of opportunities. So it has led to increased collaboration between different entities around the world. It has led to solutions that will provide significant value, not only for business, but also for society. And we hope that this will make like information technology and computer science attractive to young people. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Hisham.